Hi there. Let's talk about jojoba oil and why we're including it in our Bearded Roots test kits or DIY beard oil kits, whatever you want to call them. Jojoba oil is one of the oils that we carry in our Bearded Roots test kits that is not only a great carrier oil for your beard, but it also is a great plant for the planet. It comes from the jojoba nut, which comes off of the jojoba bush, and the jojoba bush is native to the southwestern part of the United States, where it is still grown and cultivated today. All right, jojoba oil, as you can see, is a relatively clear oil. It's got a little bit of a yellow hue to it. And one thing that my wife always tells me about jojoba oil is when I use it, my beard just sparkles. It doesn't really have a smell to it. Now, my skin seems to absorb jojoba oil really well, and that's one of the things that this kit is all about. We're encouraging you to test out the different oils on your beard, on your skin, to see how they work for you. And for me, the oil makes my beard really shiny and works kind of as a conditioner, but for my skin, it really kind of sucks it up. So it doesn't make my skin look all oily, which is really nice. And I don't know, that's about all I have to say about jojoba oil. It's a really amazing ingredient, and if Green Beard Grooming ever does come out with a beard oil, jojoba oil will most certainly be in it. Not only, like I said, it's a tremendous ingredient, but it's great for the planet. We plant one tree for every bottle of jojoba oil that goes into our kits, and our trees are being planted in California this winter. Our partners One Tree Planted source local plants when they do their reforestation projects, and so that means that some jojoba bushes will be planted as well, which is really cool. Please let us know what you think of jojoba oil in the comments. Also, I'm going to add a link to Dancy Beards' 101 Carrier Oil series. He did a great review on jojoba oil and the history and how it works and everything. And he's the expert that many of us are learning from, including myself. Anyways, thank you so much for your support. And look down in the comments. Let us know what you think of jojoba oil. And I'll post a link to Dancy Beards' video as well. Thank you. All right, you know what?